Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can hard reset your device in switch off mode. Actually I forgot my phone password. I don't have any other options, so I'm gonna hard reset it. We have two options. First one is soft reset and other one is hard reset. Soft reset means soft reset doesn't clear or erase all data, but hard reset does. So I'm gonna hard reset my phone. And if you guys also forgot your phone password, so don't worry, I'm giving you the method which is very easy and simple. All you have guys to follow these steps. First of all, switch off the mobile phone. And all you need just these keys. Just press the volume button and power button at the same times. After that, you guys see this screen appears and press volume up button. See this window appears. After that, all we have to go on wipe data. Since the screen touch is not working, so just press volume down and then power button to select wipe data. After that, again press volume down button and power button to select wipe all data. Confirm wipe all data. This cannot be undone. So all you guys have to do, just again press volume down button and then power button to confirm. After that, you guys see the data is wiping, and then for back to main menu just press power button. After that, this screen appears and then select reboot option. As we already done wipe data, so just press power button for reboot. After that, we have option reboot to system or back to main menu. All we have to do just to reboot the system. So press power button again, and that's it. It means all the data is erased and the phone is restarting again. See how easily we can reset the Redmi device without going to setting or with forgotten password. I hope you guys enjoy it. Just like the video and follow us for more interesting content. See you guys in next video. Take care.